Imagine effortlessly transforming your social media presence, engaging your audience, and growing your brand, all while saving precious time. With SocialBee, this dream becomes a reality, letting you focus on what you do best, running your business. So hey guys, and welcome in this video where I will show you how to use SocialBee for social media. So the first thing that you have to do is open your browser and dive into socialbee.com. This is the homepage as you can see. So what is SocialBee? SocialBee is a social media management platform that helps users create, schedule, and manage their social media content efficiently. It offers tools for content categorization, analytics, and audience engagement, enabling businesses and individuals to enhance their online presence and streamline their marketing efforts. So if you want to get started, you click over sign up for free and then you write your email address and your password and you get started and you'll find this page. You have here the dashboard as you can see. Hello, stay on top of your social hive by creating and scheduling posts consistently. Then we have you getting started with SocialBee. Set up your account in just a few steps. The first step, which is connect social account to increase your online presence. Then you have the second step, which is define your content categories to manage and diversify your posting strategy. Then we have schedule categories to craft perfect posting plan. Then we have create and customize posts for each network. Then we have your connected social accounts. If you want to manage all your social accounts in one place. We have here add more social accounts to increase your online performance. We have your Facebook, Instagram, Threads, Pinterest, LinkedIn, X or Twitter, Google Business Profile, TikTok, YouTube, Polsky, Universal Posting. Then we have your service marketplace. We have formed a partnership with Fiverr, granting you access to a diverse range of service providers within the SocialBee certified marketplace. We have here hire SocialBee experts, and we have also are you an agency. If we scroll down, also we have Social University, like the dynamic world of digital marketing with courses and events that covers all social media strategies. Become a social media manager, how to use SocialBee. Then you have your content. We have the first one, which is categories. You click over create a category, you write your category name, your description, and then you click over create category. You have also default settings, URL settings also. So for example, I click over this one, as opposed to this category. You click over this how to create posts, select social accounts, then create your posts, add post variation, customize for each, then post now, post a specific time, select category, review after posting, then we have here save post. Great job, you learned how to create your first post with SocialBee. Grow your hive by creating and posting content consistently. So this is how it works with creating your first post on SocialBee. Then we have hashtag collection, import CSV, import links, import media, and we have also for import media we have save time by importing your media in bulk. It works with images and videos. We have import links here, turn 1,000 links into 1,000 posts by quickly importing them to your account. Then we have here import CSV. It only takes a few clicks to import a bulk of posts to your account with a CSV import. Then we have here RSS. Add, edit, and remove your RSS feeds below. Keep in mind that they refresh every hour. You click over add, then you write here your RSS URL. Then you have category here, for example, engaging posts. Add posts or add post to the top, to the bottom here, or here you write your append text. Then you click over create. Then we have your pocket also. Add, edit, and remove your pocket below. Keep in mind that it's refresh every hour. Then we have your zipper, as you can see, browser, extension, then we have context. About browser extension, you have here some information, you can just read it. Then we have content approval, and if we have here social media copilot. Answer the questions below to generate a strategy for your schedule that is relevant and on trend for your profiles. Find out more on how to use the social media copilot here. Just answer for these questions. Then you have schedule setup here. This is how your categories are scheduled. Looks good. If not, just change. For example, you have just to click your compact views or calendar views. Then you have just to add a post, for example, Monday, or here we have Saturday. You can also select how many days, select all day, and then you select posting time, and then you select category also, for example, engaging posts. Then you click over create. Then you have calendar view here. For example, I need Friday at 10 o'clock. I'll select category here, and this is how it works. Then you have your next posts. View your next posts. Take a look at your upcoming 100 posts. Have a list view, calendar view, grid view, filled posts. And then you have analytics here also. See here how your social profile has been performing and growing. Then we have here SocialBee, engaged, dashboard, and then you have here help, questions and feedback. So by following these steps, you can just connect your social accounts, define your content categories, schedule categories, and the last step, create and customize posts for each network, and you will success with SocialBee. So SocialBee is a powerful tool, offers a comprehensive solution for managing your social media strategy efficiently by organizing content into categories, scheduling posts in advance, and utilizing recycling features. You can maintain a consistent and engaging online presence coupled with robust analytics. SocialBee empowers you to refine your approach and maximize your reach. With this tool, you can focus more on creating quality content and less on the logistics of posting, ultimately driving better results for your brand. So this is how it works with SocialBee. You can just get started right now, and you will earn money with that because you use it for the social media, and it's very helpful, and you get started right now. So this is it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful, and see you again in the next video. Also, you can just click over here and you get some information about SocialBee and how it works.